I'm the only one on the call. This is Thursday, December 24th, 2020. I'm the only one on the call. I'm going to do a quick stand-up. This is Lawrence Salter, Gabriela Island, British Columbia, Canada. Past week, I can't think of particular things that I did, anything much. Coming week is similar to before, the charitable status, and also I want to read up because Michael made progress on the sensor, the remote sensor, and blocks are kind of a lot going on with holidays and things like that. So that's that. And then as far as retro, I'm going to give myself a 3 for recording this, at least being here and recording this session. Michael's posted a couple of updates with the complete code on Wikifactory, so the team gets a 10. And no process improvement. And that's pretty much it. So I'll end the recording here.